Hello, friends, and welcome back again to the video lessons, free video lessons, in fact, by the Impact IELTS. We are looking at how to transform your ideas into body paragraph. And in the last video, I discussed opinion-based questions for you. In this particular video, I'm going to discuss a discussion type question. As you can see, discussion type questions and how to work on it. Just to remind you, I can read the question for you. This is advantage and disadvantage type of question. So you cannot use your opinion here. So you have to plan two advantage and two disadvantage, as you can see here. All right. And again, I have already planned it. So at the time of planning, I have discussed everything with you, right? So if you don't know it, please go back and watch the videos related to the planning part, right? So here I'm going to write two body paragraph. I have already told you that discussion based topic. Again, if you want to know what is discussion based topic, so go uh, to the previous videos and try to learn everything if you're not able to. Otherwise, the concept will not go into your mind clearly, right? So let's see. This is the first body paragraph, and you can see the planning part. Benefit of giving toys to the children. The first idea is interesting game can stimulate many positives. What are the positives? So they are saying joy of playing, brain development, hand-eye coordination, color recognition. Now I just have to arrange it, and because I'm going to write two body paragraph, so I will have to write the second point as well in it. So let's see. To begin with is one of my favorites way to begin with. Now I have to clear the topic sentence. Topic sentence is advantage. Most people would consider children who have many toys to be the fortunate ones. So it is clear that I'm talking about the benefits. Now, what is the benefits? Interesting things to play with stimulate many positives in the young boy or girl, right? So many positives can stimulate them. So next stage is what? So I'm using connectors here such as optimum brain development, hand-eye coordination, and color recognition, apart from the simple joy of playing. So I'm saying interesting game can stimulate many positives, and I have proved it by giving some positives, right? Now, this is the time of the second idea. Second idea is saying, second benefit is educational as well as fun. How? Enhance numerical skills and enhance alphabets recognition skills. So it's educational, and you can play, students can play, sorry, not children can play while enjoying it or enjoy while playing it, right? Also, so when I'm giving another idea to say the same thing, means to talk about the advantage, we can use some connectors. Also is one of them, so I'm using it here. There is a separate videos on connectors later on where I'll give you the idea of what different kind of connectors. But here let's continue. Also, modern toys are designed to be educational as well as fun. So I'm taking points here. And concerned parents carefully select products which might speed their child's acquisition of numbers or the alphabets. In fact, there are many play schools these days are using them as an educational tool in the classroom to capture and hold the attention of the kids. I'm not discussing here about the grammar or complex sentence or the precise vocabulary because I have already discussed it in the previous videos, and some remaining grammatical chapters will be discussed later on in the later videos, right? So that was the first point. Now I'll talk about disadvantage. So the first thing you can use in contrast that I'll use when we are talking about something opposite, right? Now point here, what are the disadvantages? So it spoils the children, I'm saying. How? Because negative effect on the character. Again, how? So lack of concentration because of abundance of tempting toys. So that means there's a character related problem. So now I have to arrange this idea. In contrast, there can be some hidden pitfalls. So at first I'm giving the idea that I'm talking about disadvantage as well as for having more toys. For one, so I'm giving the first idea, wealthy parents might spoil their son or daughter by showering him or her with toys, resulting in a negative effect on the child's character. For another, so that's second one, right? The growing children's concentration span may suffer if they are constantly surrounded by too many tempting objects, and as a result, they're likely to be unable to focus on any one game for a decent length of time before being distracted. So, I have proved that how children are spoiled, how their characters are changed, and there was a concentrated related supporting ideas or sub ideas or examples, right? Now is the time for the second idea, can stimulate envy in poor peers. How? And as a result, can be the target of the classmates. It's obvious, right? And then we talk about some health hazard that could be the disadvantageous point. On the social side, right? Older children may become targets of envy from classmates if they are perceived as having far more possessions than their peers. Finally, the majority of toys today are made of plastic, which commonly contains the chemical at ATPA. If you don't know it, I mean, you can go ahead with some other ideas, like so you can explain or extend on the NB part by giving some examples. They are the target, they are being bullied, or they are being threatened. I mean, if you know it is fine. If no, then it's okay, no problem. Because they're more concerned about the logic and the relevance of the idea rather than the brilliant idea, right? Proven to be dangerous for infants. So that's again was the second example, example two, that how to transform the plan idea into the body paragraph. So in the next video, I will give you another example, which is of discussion opinion videos to end the series of transferring idea into paragraphs, right? That's all this video. Thank you very much. And if you have any problem while watching, if you understand something that you're not able to understand, please watch previous videos. And if there are many things which are yet to come, so please wait for the other videos or go ahead and watch other video, right? So thank you very much for watching.